ಯಂತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಶಿವಯಂತ್ರ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಶಿವ ಜನರಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನು, ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ನು, ಎನ್ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿವಯಂತ್ರ ಬೆಸ್ಟು. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮುಖೇನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನರಘೋಷ ಯಂತ್ರ is basically for protection from evil eye, shielding from individuals and their homes from negativity, jealousy and psychic attacks. It also promotes peace of mind and fostering emotional stability by reducing anxiety, depression and improving sleep. Whereas Matsya Yantra is for correcting vastu defects and attracting prosperity, improving financial growth and removing negative energies and evil eyes. It also fosters peace of mind and clarity in an individual by enhancing self-confidence and leadership. Whereas Dakshinamurti Yantra is basically for enhancing the wisdom, knowledge, concentration and self-empowerment, particularly for students and professionals. Whereas Durga Yantra helps you protect from negative energies by overcoming obstacles, achieving success and courage, fostering health and prosperity as well, and likewise promoting spiritual growth. Whereas Mahamrityunjaya Yantra protects one from diseases, accidents, long and healthy life. Can be said by using Mahamrityunjaya Yantra and worshipping it. One can overcome fear and also freedom from fear, stress and evil energies. Shiva Yantra is basically for a liberation, that is moksha, and also to have divine grace, spiritual growth and peace. Whereas Ganapati Yantra is basically for removing the obstacles, very good for students and professionals. It helps you removing negativity and attract success and prosperity. Whereas Yellama Yantra aids in meditation, enhances spiritual growth and also connecting you with spiritual partners and financial success by also keeping negativity away. Whereas Naga Yantra helps you protect from negative energies, elevation of Sarpa dosha and removing obstacles, and also help you if you keep on having miscarriages. Whereas Lakshmi Narasimha Yantra helps eliminate one from fear and anxiety, destroys negativity and evil energies, and protects one from energies, and also helps in legal matters. ಸೊ ಯಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಕೆಲವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ದಿನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎನರ್ಜೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎನರ್ಜೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿನ ಅದು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಕೆಟ್, one can possess it, and one can also keep it in the puja room, and one can also use it on daily basis for worship to increase the energy and help you over